Like DC Comics, Marvel Comics also has many alternative universes, or Earths, where our well-known heroes experience stories and adventures that are different from what they're used to in their primary universes. This allows the writers to have more creative freedom, explore some new character concepts, and see what might have happened had the dice fallen differently. This article will discuss one story featuring the Hulk's alternate version from Earth 2091, Space Punisher Hulk. Space Punisher Hulk's origin. Space Punisher Hulk is a fictional character from the Marvel Universe and an alternative version of the superhero Hulk from Earth 2091. He was created by Frank Tieri and Mark Texeira in 2012 and had his debut in Space Punisher #2. It is considered to be the strongest incarnation of the Hulk ever. Space Punisher Hulk was created in the same way as the regular Hulk in the primary universe. Namely, physicist Bruce Banner was exposed to large quantities of gamma radiation, which enabled him to transform into Hulk. Yet, while the Earth 616 Prime Universe version of the character remained relatively normal, the Earth 1291 turned into a proper monstrosity. The main difference between this version of the Hulk and the Prime Universe 1, sans the visuals, is that Space Punisher Hulk is a completely separate entity from Bruce Banner, whose body is literally trapped inside Space Punisher Hulk, which means that Banner's death doesn't affect him in any way. This Hulk was much taller than the Prime Universe version, and it has a total of 4 arms. It also gained exceptional physical powers and was feared throughout the universe. Like on Earth 161, General Thunderbolt Ross constantly tries to stop him but fails. This version has not yet appeared in any derivative materials and has only appeared in 2 comic books, both set on Earth 12091. How strong is Space Punisher Hulk, and what are his greatest feats? Even though he has appeared in just 2 comic books, Space Punisher Hulk has given us a lot of information on his powers and his homicidal feats. He is generally described as a destructive killing machine, gaining a reputation for destroying spaceships. He has fought and murdered the Fantastic Four, ripping out the Thing's hand and tying up Mr. Fantastic in a knot in the process. He attacked the hideout of Barracuda when the Punisher tried to gain information about the Six-Fingered Hand. He eliminated some of the mercenaries hired to kill the Punisher, but was enraged by the leader's sonic device. The Punisher managed to escape before the Hulk could eliminate him. He also bit through Sabretooth and eliminated Deadpool. He also ripped Bruce Banner from himself and let him get shot without it affecting him. In addition to that, he broke the leader's back. Punisher survived facing Space Punisher Hulk, but it was just a lucky coincidence actually. Later, he defeated and eliminated 6 Watchers single-handedly, which is amazing. As for his non-destructive powers, he is virtually invulnerable, seemingly indestructible and invincible, and he can both move faster than light and pass through barriers of existence and reality, which is what he did to deal with Watchers. This character version is considered the biggest threat to the universe since Galactus made his presence known. Who can defeat Space Punisher Hulk? Since he appeared in only 2 comic books and has crushed all his opponents in a very brutal manner in both issues, it is very difficult for us to say who could defeat this iteration of the Hulk. He is, like most, certainly not invincible, but no known opponent could defeat him, so we can only speculate. We know for sure that the Fantastic Four, the Watchers, Deadpool, Doc Samson, the Punisher, the Leader, and Thunderbolt Ross cannot defeat him, but we still haven't been introduced to a character that could. Certainly, divine entities, such as the One Above All, or some overpowered alternative versions of some characters like King Thanos, Rune King Thor, or the version of Deadpool that killed everyone in the Marvel Universe, but these are some obvious answers. If you're wondering whether there's a normal character that could defeat Space Punisher Hulk, we cannot help you there simply because this Hulk has so far defeated everyone he has fought against, and we don't know enough about Earth 2091 to find a character that could outmatch this monstrosity. And with this, we conclude our story on Space Punisher Hulk. As you can see, this is a very intriguing incarnation of the character and presents quite a menace to the reality reality of Earth 12091. Luckily enough, this is just an alternative timeline, so this monstrosity won't threaten the canon universe.